Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at the FloydROM version 5 Note 9 port for our Galaxy S7 or the S7 Edge. So without wasting more time, let's start. So guys, this is the FloydROM version 5. It is still based on Android 10 obviously, because 11 is not yet ported and it's really hard, like it's in beta. This is the Note 9 port, which is a new base from the previous S9's base, and it's based on the Android 10 with the Samsung's OneUI 2.5 skin. Also it comes with the Chronos kernel, and the Android security patch is 1 November 2020, which is the latest if we practically see. So guys, the OneUI 2.5 does not offer like something super excited over the OneUI 2.0 and 2.1, but yeah, it's a few optimized because it is the final OneUI 2.x version, as Samsung has updated from 2.0 to 2.5. So obviously it is an updated and last version, like 3.0 is starting with the Android 11. So yeah. And also there are updated apps, few UI changes, like if you see from into the settings, there are some settings UI changes. Then into display, getting back display, and here as you can see the dark mode settings have also been changed. Now you can easily switch from light dark from just a tap. Also here are the dark mode settings, and it is like pinned to the top, the dark mode. And yeah, the other basic settings are also here, you can check about that. And always on display, everything is there and everything works fine. So there are no issues with anything about like the non-working features or something like that. Now everything is same, there is no need to explain all the features, go through and expand the video. Just wanted to share the updated version of the OneUI OneUI 2.5, which is the Lime 5 port for our Galaxy S7. And yeah, the stuff is also basic. You have the weather and stuff, and if you don't want the weather over here, if you're keeping your apps and stuff, you can just add your edge panels and keep your widgets and weathers here. So that is also really amazing thing. Camera also works fine, there is no issues with camera, it is. And here we also get the more modes. You have these modes and other stuff like the photo and video recording, everything works fine. Selfie camera, there are no issues actually with this ROM right now. So I guess this could be the final build, or maybe we can get one more build if there are some issues here. I don't know about actual issues because I don't actually use this device as a daily driver, but yeah, from the previous versions it's a really great great port, the Android 10 for our Galaxy S7, and still it's alive. So yeah, I hope the developers will also do like show some love for Android 11 on our devices too. So best of luck for that to everyone, and thanks to all the developers for the support. So that is it for the Floyd version 5 video. Now the installation is easy and simple. You have to go back and clean Flash, and if you want to keep data, if you are from the previous FloydROM, I will say just clean Flash again, because this is a new base. So I would say just do a clean Flash. And also if you can back up the data and try a dirty Flash with the Aroma installer, you can just keep data, that option. So yeah, you can try that. And that is it, nothing much to say about this ROM. It's great, battery and performance extremely amazing, like not much of changes have been done there. So yeah, with the Chronos kernel you can also flash other kernels which are supported by the OneUI. Then yep, that is it, and I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, here's the like button, press it. And if you don't, then the dislike button, that will be a great feedback. Also the subscribe button is here, press it if you are going to watch future videos of my other devices, and this one obviously I'm going to keep making. So yep, bye bye guys, take care, wear a mask, and again bye bye.